Hi, I am Karen from Karen Clark Creations and Artsy Introvert. In this video, I'll be working on Friends Season 2, Episode 6, The One with the Baby on the Bus. If you've already watched the video for Season 2, Episode 5, first, thank you for watching, and second, you already got a sneak peek at the completed painting for this episode. Whoops. I loved the storyline with Ross and his allergic reaction to kiwi. The quote I chose was when Ross asks Monica what was in the pie she made, and he responded with, "Kiwi? Kiwi? You said it was a key lime pie. I'm allergic to kiwi." Super funny. There's even more to it, but I didn't want to write it all in my sketchbook. Thankfully, his allergy was not life-threatening, so that is a scary thing. Allergies are very much a scary thing. His was not life-threatening, but he definitely needed to go to the hospital. So I decided to paint a piece of kiwi lime pie, and I have it up against the milk creamer from episode 4, and you can see there's a little bite taken out of the tip of that pie. I just have it sitting I'm gonna have it sitting on a napkin. Honestly, I was lazy. I didn't want to paint a plate. So, it's a napkin. So I just use a light mix to get the greenish color. So the key lime or kiwi lime, it's not that green. It's kind of more like a yellowy color, but lime definitely should have a tint of green, so I just did a little bit of a light green. And I'm also putting a little bit of that blue as the reflection in the creamer right there. When I planned the creamer, I was planning the pie, so I put green in there, but I didn't know what color or the object I was going to put the plate on. So I didn't know it was going to be a blue napkin is what I'm trying to get at. So I knew I could add that afterwards. Now that fluff of whipped cream on top, it caused me a little bit of issues, mainly because I did not paint the background. I probably should have. I'm not going to go back and do that now though, because this painting's done. But technically, if I had painted the background, it would have been easier to get that white plop of whipped cream to stand out. So I had the shadows in there, and I really just wanted the brightness to show. It's fine. I think it looks good when I'm done. I'm looking over at it right now. Looks great because I end up adding a little bit of white gouache to it, and that was wonderful. I'm also adding the graham cracker crust. And I'm pleased with this. I really like how it turned out. I'm just gonna let you watch and let you listen to music and let me know in the comments what you think. Hi there, it has been a couple weeks since I painted this kiwi lime pie, and it's bugging me. I keep looking at it and it's bugging me. I don't like how the background color, the color of the paper, is too close to the top of the pie and the whipped cream. So I was thinking about putting a wash around it of a light purple. That might not be showing up as well on camera as it does for me in person, but I think I'm going to give this a try just to see if I can get that white to pop out more. So I'm going to give it a whirl. There's nothing to do but do it. Okay, I think I'm going to start by wetting my paper. I have nerves about it. I don't want to mess it up, but really, if it's not making me happy the way it is, then maybe I should mess it up. So let's just do it. I got a big fat brush. This is a Lindsay Wyrick brush from Craft to Mo, and it holds a lot of water. So I'm just going to do it. And I'm moving around so I can see where the water is by the shine. Okay, now let's drop in some color here. Ooh, that one, I don't remember which red I used. Who cares? That's pretty close. There we go. Drop it in. And it's not bad. It's not a bad color. Oop, oop, oop. Don't want it to go on top of my whipped cream. For my pie, but I can fix it. I can fix the pie. A little bit of white gouache. Okay, that's definitely popping out more. Now I want to spread that out a little bit. And I'm going to put a little bit over here too. It's not just going to be around the pie. I want these two things to look like they're on the table together. But I don't think I'm going to go past that napkin line. I don't know why, but for some reason I'm feeling I don't want to go past that napkin line. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit over here. Oh, I didn't tape this side. Let me tape it real quick. It's pretty good. Let's see. That like across there. I need to bring this down slightly, I think. Well, I'm actually kind of feeling like I want to bring it down a little bit further. Yeah, that's what that needed. Okay. Now they don't just look like stickers on the page. I like this so much better. Okay, let's dry it. Okay, so now I need to fix up the whipped cream. I'm going to use some bleed-proof white. The clearly the pen I used up here was not waterproof, and that's a bummer because I thought I was only using waterproof pens, but I must have grabbed one by mistake without thinking about it. So I'm going to be more mindful in the future because this one was definitely waterproof. Thankfully, oh my gosh, if it hadn't been, that would have been a disaster. I would have been so upset. There we go. That definitely pops out better now. Oh, I feel so much better about it. Okay. I like the picture better now too. So I think moving forward with the sketchbook, I'm going to need to do more backgrounds to make myself happier. Because that's what the sketchbook is about. It's about making myself happy and enjoying what I'm doing and coming away with something that I love. And while I don't have to love every painting, I want to try to love every painting. So, okay. I feel so much better. I'm so happy I did that. Just goes to show you. Sometimes when you feel like you're not done, you're not done. And you can come back and fix it. So, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.